Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare LANGCHAIN and LLAMAINDEX. LANGCHAIN and LLAMAINDEX are both powerful frameworks for building LLM, large language model applications. LANGCHAIN is a powerful tool that helps developers build apps using large language models like ChatGPT. It makes it easier to connect models with data, tools, and workflows in a smart way. You can create complex chains of tasks like asking questions, summarizing, or making decisions. LANGCHAIN supports memory so the AI can remember past conversations. It also connects with databases, APIs, and search tools, making it very flexible. Developers love its modular design and active community. LLAMAINDEX is a great tool that helps large language models understand and use your data. It works by breaking down documents, organizing them, and make them easy for AI to search through. Whether it's PDFs, websites, or databases, LLAMAINDEX makes it simple to connect that information to your AI app. It's especially useful for answering questions for custom data or building chatbots that know your content. The setup is straightforward and it works well with tools like LANGCHAIN. It's designed to make LLMs smarter with real, personal information. Overall, LANGCHAIN is better for building full LLM-powered applications, while LLAMAINDEX is better for indexing and retrieving external data efficiently within those apps. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.